Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check last seen if hidden on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So first thing first, go ahead, open up your Instagram app likewise over here. And one thing that you have to make sure is for you to see somebody's active status or seen status, both you and the person you're chatting with needs to turn that on. If they have turned that off or hidden that particular option, then unfortunately, since it's a privacy guidelines, you will not be able to check that out, including you yourself. If you have turned on or hidden your seen status, the other person you're chatting with will also won't be able to check it out. Other than that, when you do so, you will find this option, this seen kind of status, when the message has been seen automatically. But in case if they have hidden, unfortunately there is no way you can check that out. So that's how simply it works. Hope this video was informative enough. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.